How to apply dark mode in Tinder. What's up everyone? For today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply dark mode in Tinder. So make sure that you watch until the end of this video to learn how to do this on yourself. So let's get into it. To apply dark mode in Tinder, you may follow these steps. First is to open your Tinder application. If you don't have one yet, you might want to download it first on your Play Store and then proceed on logging in. If you don't have an account yet, I suggest that you create one first before proceeding on this video. Once you're properly signed in, tap on your profile icon on the lower right corner to access your profile. And then select Settings. It will be the gear icon on the upper right corner. Look for an option like App Appearance or Theme. Choose Dark or Dark Mode from the available options. The app should switch now to Dark Mode immediately. Take note, if you don't see this option, you just need to close the app and reopen it, especially when you just created an account. And that is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching.